This is the Suehiro abrasive stone, 320 grit and 800. They are good for minor repairs and also light thinning. I have this walnut guto, which is almost becoming a slicer. I'm going to show how we do on a stone that I've already soaked already. Okay, as with any stones, before I start, I will soak it and get a fresh surface. We will see how well it cuts, whether it clogs, and the level of finish. Now I will do some thinning movements. Okay, this is how I normally do it. It's flat here. As I go in, I talk a bit and raise. Top half, bottom half. Focus is on the line here. I'm thinning behind. This side, here also. Okay. As I go in, I raise a little bit. Okay. Now I will do the sharpening. For the top, 1/3 right to left, so that I follow the curve. This is push stroke. Bottom, flat, raise a little bit. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't clog. Here, I'm still doing a push stroke. I'm playing with this, talking here. Okay, you can see move a bit here. Okay, this is behind the edge. Then I raise a little bit. Okay, this is what the effect. Okay, it doesn't clog. Now I turn over. As you can see here is 800 grit. Okay. Get a fresh surface. This is the finishing on the 320 grit. Not bad. Okay, it gives a dark kasumi. Okay, let's see how it goes. This is my style. Push stroke, push stroke. Finger is not at the very edge, slightly behind the edge or on this line. This is thinning. This 800 grit stone will remove the rough abrasions of the 320. After I'm done with this, I may want to go for the 3000. Okay, true to any knife, I must chase for the apex. Last few strokes, as light as possible. Okay, this stone is muddy, you see, but it still doesn't clog, which is good. Once it clogs, it will reduce the cutting power. This is the finish on it. Now I will cut it. Let's do a light cutting test and see how it goes. I want to try. Very acceptable. Okay, take a look at the finish. Some people use this stone for the kasumi or hazy finish.